I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes-Benz ML. And here we go. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Click Bluetooth on. There you go. We'll just go to the bottom from any screen onto telephone. You'll see update there. It's already on update, but if it wasn't, you would just use these navigation keys to go to update, then click OK, the round button in the center. It's now searching for another phone. Now I will tell you, I've only just deleted it off here, and sometimes, especially with the new iPhone operating system, it kind of confuses the system, so it may not go as oh well, here we go, Barry's iPhone. I'm still not out of the woods yet, so onto Barry's iPhone, click OK. Please enter the passcode here and on the Bluetooth telephone. So I'll just do 0000, 4 noughts for ease. I'll click that way and it'll bring it back on the screen over here for OK. I'll click OK in the center. Now we'll see whether this works. It should bring it up on my phone, and then I've got to match the 4 noughts on the screen. But as I say, sometimes when you've just deleted it, it's confused. So here we go. We'll try 0000 pair. Oh, allow contacts with favorites to sync. See, it has confused it. It says connection unsuccessful there, but I'm going to put don't allow because I won't be using the car again. We'll see if it actually. It's got miss not connected. Click OK. Yes, it's not connected, so I'm going to do it again. So here we go, telephone, click OK. Bluetooth telephones. It's got Barry's phone there. Searching for Barry's iPhone. Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. There we go. That's it done.